spaghetti bolognese that you've made, now you can make for another meal day after. You can make stuffed peppers. And what we're going to do, just prepare these peppers with you. We'll show you what we do. And we're going to use some mozzarella cheese with that. I should have got that outside on that for a sec. Can we find it? There it is. And we've just got one of them mozzarella balls. We're going to slice it and pop it on top when we put the spaghetti in. Take the top off the pepper. So I'll show you that, how we prepare that, and then you can see this one. Won't be a sec. Okay. We've prepared a pepper. We've cut the top off. We're just going to do it for one to show you. We've put a bit of olive oil in there. And we're just going to brush it up. I mean, you can make 3 or 4, as many as you want, really. Then we're going to pop that in there. Do the lid as well. And we'll get the bolognese. We'll put that in there. Bob it in with your spoon. So we're just going to fill it up like that. I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap. You get your mozzarella. Drain it. So you're just going to cut an hole in the bag. And then we're going to pack it on. We've got this out already. So we're going to put bits of mozzarella in it like that on the top. Just a thin slice. Then you can put your lid back on. Because the spaghetti is already cooked, you can put your lid back on and then put it in the oven for around about 25-30 minutes on 180. And when it's cooked, I'll show you when it's cooked. Okay? Get back to you in a minute. Okay. Right, it's just about ready to come out now. It's been in about half an hour maybe, something like that, and it looks like that. I'll just turn this off, get it out and show you. And then, let's pull it out like that. And that is your pepper, and all your cheese has gone all soggy like that. And then you can have it with garlic bread or and side salad or any sort of veg that you want. And you can do as many peppers as you want as well. And you can also make a lasagna, which we'll do in a second. Okay?